On my screen you can see bulkhead and two pipes which are interfering with this bulkhead. Now I want to create penetration for one of these pipes. First of all, I need to be sure that I have penetration standards in the library. So I will go to Manager, Penetration Standards, and I see that I have one penetration standard with the name socket and type sleeve, and I will create one more, which I will call doubler. It will be non-watertight, and type of the penetration will be double. And here we can change parameters of this penetration. And important is to assign penetration to the specs, so we will be able to use these penetrations in the corresponding system. Now I can create this penetration. I run Insert Penetration, select the structure part and the pipe. ShipConstructor has found this interference, and now I can select penetration from the list, and I need to choose stock for the sleeve. I will take this one. Now I can request penetration and create this penetration. Be aware that for the moment there is no cutout in the plate, and penetration component sleeve is temporarily created. We can review the status of the penetration in Penetration Manager. And you see there is one penetration, static one, with the status pending. There are several statuses, and only when penetration will get status applied, then cutout will be made in the plate and penetration component will be created in the database. Until this moment we can revise this penetration, and when it will be applied we can only delete it. So let us see what we can do with this penetration. First of all, when penetration is created, pipe was anchored. But what if we want to move the pipe? We can unanchor the pipe and we can move it. And penetration will follow the pipe. Now I will run revise penetration command. I will select this penetration, and you see that we can recalculate penetration, we can change standard of the penetration, or we can change paths which are involved in this penetration. Let us start with paths. I will select the same plate, but now I will choose another pipe. I will reselect the stock for the sleeve and click Revise. Now you see that this penetration was moved to another pipe. We also can change the standard of the penetration. Now I will change it to doubler, and I will choose the stock for the doubler, and I will revise penetration. And you see that penetration has been changed, but still there is no cutout in the plate. Now I will open Penetration Manager again, and I will change status of penetration to applied. And process for the cutout will be cut. It can be also marking. And now you see that cutout was created in the plate and doubler is now in the database like component of the penetration, and it can be processed.